We start recording. 7 and 2/5 minus 2 and a quarter. Go ahead, and that is worth 3 marks.
Well, only one that makes it better, right? Absolutely, but
so go ahead and do that one. 7 and 2/5 minus 2 and a quarter.
Sir, 5 and 3/20.
5 and 3/20. All right, that's one answer. The others try on your own, please, and then tell me what you get. All right. 3/20, you say, Mia? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. And you double check the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What about the others? What did you guys get when you worked it out? The others work it out, right? Are you not finished yet?
Yes, sir, I'm finished.
What you got?
I got 5 and 3/20.
Okay, you got the same thing. All right. All right.
Same thing as well.
You want to walk me through what you guys did first? No, Leroy, no, right? Because
First I subtracted the 7 from the 2 from the 7 and got 5.
All right, remember do it as you go along. So you get 5 for that, right?
Yes, sir.
What's next?
And then I found the lowest common factor that 2/5 and a quarter can go into, which is 20.
All right, so you subtract the fraction different, right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So the lowest common multiple. Oh, you know it's 20. Oh, you know it's 20.
I multiplied the 4 times the 5.
Okay. You could have done this also, right? You say 5, you keep adding 5. Any multiple can use, but it's very easy to use the lowest multiple. And then you go by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is correct. 20 coming in the first in both of them, right? What's next?
Yes, sir. And then I divide, then I see how much times 5 can go into 20, which is 4 times, and then I multiply the 2 times the 4.
That give you 8.
Yes.
What's
and
next?
then I divided 20 times 4 and got 5.
20 into 4, all right.
And I subtracted the 8 from the 5 and got 3/20.
But why is the answer not 3/20? Why you use 5 and 3/20?
Huh?
Why like what this you get? Why wouldn't I just use this alone? Could you use this alone for the answer? 3/20.
No, sir. It's 5 and 3/20.
All right. Because we already subtracted the whole numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
It's correct. It's correct. Well done. All right. So guys, whenever we're adding and subtracting fraction, we must bring them to the lowest common multiple. All right. That's the key. And if we are multiplying, is a different rule. For division, is a different rule also. And we went through those. All right. Let's look at 28. It said the table below show the number of marks awarded at each correct answer in section A, B, and C of a test. So them say here section A, 1 mark for each correct answer. For B, 3 marks. That's how you read the table, right? You read it row by row. And then C, 5 marks. So section C, 5 marks for each question. What does each mean? That's the key word here.
All the questions.
Each mean all?
1.
1. For every one question.
For
Yeah.
one question, sir.
Yeah. All right. So listen to what this says.
Equals.
This is what it says now. Jessica got 16 items correct in section A and 8 items correction in section B. How many items must Jessica get correct in section C to earn 50 on the test? Go ahead and work that out. Read it carefully and answer it, all right? Work it out first. We're not rushing you, man. Take your time, work it out, and then you just share with us. Because remember, you know, it's not just to give Mr. Bennett the answer. You have to explain how you get the answer so others can catch on and so forth.
Finished, sir.
All right. What about the others?
Finished, sir.
All right. Share with us now. Share with us.
Sir,
What's the
he needs
answer?
to get 2 items in section C correct.
2 items. Everyone agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Sarah, you were saying something? Go ahead.
No, I was not saying something.
Okay, okay, all right. All right, let's go. Look, we see how you approach it though. So you get 2 for the answer, but how did you
So I
arrive?
put 1 times 16.
All
which
right,
is
so that's section C. Very good.
No, that's section A.
Yeah, section A. Sorry.
That's 16. And I put 8 times 3.
Because each question you get 3 marks. Very good. So 8, 3 is
And that
20.
gives me 24.
All right. What you do next?
Then I added 24 and 16 to get 40.
Very good. What's next?
Then I took away. I added 5. I added 5 plus 5 plus 3 to get
Okay. Oh, so you're saying since 5 marks for each question, you just keep adding till you get to 50. So 40 plus that will give you 45, and then that give you 50. So you added it 2 times. So it will be 2 items.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It's correct. You look at it, it's somewhat different from me, but it's correct. I would have done the same thing here. What I would have done is probably to subtract 40 from 50. That's all I did, but it's your one is
I
cool.
also did that.
And when I get 10, since I know that each one is worth 5 marks, I will divide it 10 by 5. But both of us are correct. So it's correct. It's 2. All right. So this for this word and that word 3 marks. So you'd have gotten 3 marks there. All right. So it says no. Number 29. A discount of 15% was given for each cash purchase at a shoe store. How much will Derek pay cash for a pair of shoes marked $600? So 15% discount is given for each cash purchase at a shoe store. How much will Derek pay cash for a pair of shoes marked $600? How much would he pay after the discount? That's what they basically say. Anyone wants to attempt that?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. What about the others? Everyone doing it?
Sir, I think I got my.
All right, share with us. In the mean.
So I divided the 600 by 50, the $600 by 15, and I got $40.
So you're saying that a pair of shoes costs $600, right? And you get
Yes, sir.
15% discount, and you only pay $40 for it?
Sir, you don't pay 40. $4,500, sir.
4,500, but 4,500 is 4,500. So you're saying after the discount you're gonna pay more?
No, sir,
Any
sir,
reasoning?
sir. No, sir, that's subtract the 15 from the I just take away about like 30 you have 60 to make it plain and simple. Then now you subtract the 15, the 60 from the 15 which I get back 45. So basically you be paying 45 with the discount. With the discount you'll be paying 4,500.
But 4,500 is 4,500, you know. All right, Jalen has his hand up. Go ahead, Jalen. Shed some light on it for us.
Sir.
Go ahead.
So I put 15 over 100, then multiply it by 600 over 1.
And what you got?
Then I cross multiply, which I take cross divide. I take away 100 from 6. Now divide 100 from 600, and I get 6. And I divide 100 by itself to get 1.
Yeah, man, just tell us the final score. That's fine. You don't have
15
to tell us.
times 6 minus
So just tell us the final. 15% of.
$510.
All right. Everyone agree with that? Or you agree with the one where you divide first? I'm just curious. Oh, we know which is correct.
So we check them.
All right. So which one you guys agree with? You agree with just divide 600 by 15? Or we just say, okay, since percent mean out of 100, I think that's what Jalen is getting at. Since percent mean out of 100, you just find 15% of 600. All right, I'm going to agree with Jalen this time. Since percent mean out of 100, right? So how do we find 50% then of 600? Because that would represent the discount. You're correct, Jalen. And he said put it over 1. So I'm going to do that. Put it over 1. All right. How can we cancel now? Is there any number can go into either 15 and 100 or 100 and 600 without a remainder?
100 can go into 600 6 times.
All right. So you do it the shortcut way. That's fine. So we have 6 up here. So 15 times 6. What would be 15 times 6?
90.
90. But what does this $90 represent?
The discount.
The discount. How much them are going to take off of it? So there's no way it can worth $600 and you get only 15% and you pay $40, right? So guys, why you reason it out, right? So it would be the 600 subtract the discount amount, which is $90. So they only take off $90. All right. And, you know, I'm assuming that they could want a bigger discount. So that will give us 5 then. All right. Well done, Jalen. Good try, guys. Thanks for the attempt, everyone. All right. Some person had their hand up, but I didn't bother to go to you because I think Jalen can explain it fully. All right. Let's move on. I think I probably have to help you guys with this one, but let me see first. Is that this is basically a rule, but you guys can attempt it. In the diagram below, the area of the shaded triangle is 36 centimeters square. What is the area of the rectangle?
6. Yes. 6.
You say 6. Remember, listen what he said. He said in the diagram below, the area of the shaded triangle. So the triangle itself at 36. And they ask us what would be the area of the rectangle. Which would have a greater area? The triangle or the rectangle?
Rectangle.
The rectangle. So we know that it can be below 36, right? That's the first thing. Second, I have some suggestion. This is actually a rule. So I'm not gonna spend much time on it. I'm gonna help you guys with it. All right. So guys, let us just imagine this. Suppose we were supposed to this line right here. Yeah, answer this line right. All right. Suppose we look at this line right here. Suppose we were to adjust the triangle. Say we could move it and put this line right here.
Sir.
This little space right here would close up, right? We could carry this plus up. And this would represent what amount of the triangle would this represent?
The 36 half.
The 30 half. So how much you think would be the entire rectangle? If a half of it is 36.
Centimeters square.
72, yeah. Because this side would also be 36. So it's 36 plus 36, which is 72. And the rules state, once you have a triangle and it ends on each line like this, the area of the triangle is half of the rectangle. So that's a rule. So this will be 72. And what's the unit when we do in area?
Multiply.
Square. It have to be squares, right? Because it's actually squares. All right, let us see if we can get in two more. So we are at 30 now. Let's see if we can get in. 31 says, the diagram below shows the distance David covered in a triathlon. So David covered, swimming. Basically, them broke it down in three something. So in a swimming, he covers 600 meters. On the bicycle, 6.5 kilometers. And running, that look like running, either running or walking, 8 kilometers. How many kilometers did David cover for the entire event? Who wants to take on this one? What would be the final answer for that?
There are 20.5 kilometers.
20.5 kilometers. Everyone agree with that? So that's 20 and a half. What about the others? What you guys got?
Sir.
Where? How much you got?
15.1 kilometers.
I'm gonna write down the two answers. So 15.1. What was the other answer? 20?
20 and a half.
20 and a half. So that's 20.5.
Sir, 20,500.
In what unit you have it though? Kilometer or meter?
Kilometers.
Kilometers.
So this is not 6
Meters for my answer.
I think probably 15. All right, let's work it out. So guys, the first thing you have to notice, check the units. Are they the same units?
No, sir.
No, sir.
They're not. So that's the first thing. So what you guys want to do? We do everything in a meters first and add it and then divide by 1,000?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
8 kilometers is how many meters? How many meters make 1 kilometer?
100.
Guys, how many meters make 1 kilometer?
1,000.
It's 1,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Remember, kilo mean 1,000. All right. So 1,000. Sasha K, don't write on it, please. So that's 1 kilometer. So if 1 kilometer, 1,000 meter, 1 kilometer consists of 1,000 meters. How many meters is in 8 kilometers?
Sir, 8,000.
8,000. What about 6.5 kilometers? How many meters?
Sir, 6,500.
Everybody see him get that? We multiply by 1,000, right? And then
Yes,
this is
sir.
already in meters, so we don't need to, we just put it back as
Yeah. What you doing? Sir, it's
yeah.
10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
I know, but we're gonna finish this, guys. All right. We can't leave. We can't just do the class without the solution. All right. And then now we add this. So 6 and 5, 11.
Yes. Try with the one.
Yeah. So 8 and 1, 9, and that 15.
15.
So this is meters now, right? So it's 15,100 meters. And as we said, to convert from
Divided by
meter to
100.
kilometer,
1,000.
1,000. So the decimal point is to the immediate.
15.1.
They move 3 places, right? So we're gonna stop here for today, guys. 1, 2, 3. So 15.1 kilometer is correct. And notice they ask specifically for it to be in kilometer. That's why we didn't leave it in meters, right? Because we get 15,000 meters, 15,100 meters, but they didn't ask for meter, so we don't give them whatever they don't ask for. We only give them whatever they, watch me, all right? 1 extra 0. Teacher crazy. So guys, good job. I'm gonna upload this and send it to you guys privately, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so guys, just keep working on. See you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow, next week. And guys, remember the winter class coming up. Remind your parents, it's gonna be the 21st, 22nd, and the 23rd. And it's specifically geared towards the
So what's
mental
the 21 to the 23rd?
yeah, the 21 to the 23rd. May I say it, you know, because more people know. 21, 22, 23. And then we take a break and we'll see how it go after that. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so take care. Big up Tijan, big up everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Take
sir.
care. Big up, guys, big up. I'll send you guys a video, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my lower school. Yeah, man, you guys can go now. My lower school. May I go join back in a 1 minute here? Because I deep on my regular so yeah.
You need add my grandmother.
Oh Lord. Just text me and say add my grandmother. Please. Me forget again. Oh God. So I'm gonna do it now. Just remind me. Good job today, guys. Good job. All right. Keep up the work. Keep working hard. All right. Guys, let's join back in 1 minute. All right. Please.